What are they charging?
Nishia. Other cousin, any member.
Go, what is the problem? What I want to know.
The person the carry come.
Which people carry and come? Ezenwanyi.
Yes.
Ezenwanyi, you never. This is just until you white. Ezenwanyi.
Until you white. Don't know the charge and initiate the remember.
That is it. There's good swimmers who can swim.
Swim for where? What? Swim what? Me. Mama, Jesus don't do me. I don't walk. I take him a half a year. I just see him a baptism. Saga, I'm going to lose on ya. You
are talking.
That's my young boy.
This water, is it too deep that the... The person is gone. The person on go. I'm not sure. Maybe some kind of hook. So this Ezenwanyi now is calling on. This is too bad. So all these things are and the Enugu state government is already the bill now is in the House of Assembly to stop these things. Yesterday, God presented the bill now in the House of Assembly. Peter Mbe didn't go the thing now.
I think it is right time federal government to come into this matter.